Okay, we've got a histogram question. Now, the one thing you've just got to remember with histograms is that the area of these boxes equals the frequency. Okay, just remember that for histograms and you can do the whole question pretty much. Okay, area equals frequency. Commit that to memory for eternity right now for histograms. Okay, so we're going to use that to answer the whole question. We've been told that 20 houses have a price between 300 and 400,000. Okay, so here's our price between 300 and 400,000. That box there corresponds to 20 houses. Right. Area is frequency. So the frequency is 20. Okay? So the area of that box equals 20. So what's the area? The area is the width times the height. Okay? So area equals frequency. Frequency, not frequency density. FD is frequency density. Okay? Area is just frequency. So area is frequency. The area is the width times the height. Width times height is frequency. Because, so therefore, width times height is frequency, because the area is width times height. Okay. Right. Put in the numbers. What's the width? From 300 to 400,000. I'm not going to add the extra 3 zeros. It just makes it a bit more cumbersome. I'll just call it the width 100 rather than 100,000. Okay, it's easier. So the width is 100. The height is that value there. I'm just going to call it FD. It's the frequency density at that particular point there, because it goes up to this line. Call it FD1. I'll do. FD1. Okay? So we're trying to work out that value there. So we can give the whole thing, we can label these divisions with their values. Equals, the frequency is 20. Okay? Okay, bring the 100 down there. Therefore, FD1 is 20 over 100, which is 2 over 10, which is, do it here, FD1 equals 0.2. Okay, so that value there is 0.2. So using this information, we've been able to label the y-axis, the frequency density axis, and that will allow us to answer the question. So if that's 0.2, that one must be 0.1, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 and 0.8. Good. Right. How many houses have a price under 200,000? Okay, well there's 200,000. So all the houses that have a price under that, it's this box plus this box plus this box. Okay? So we need to know the frequency of this box and this box and this box, because the frequency is the number of houses in the box. So we're going to use area is frequency again. Okay, area equals frequency. So therefore, frequency is the area is the width times height. So to get the total frequency, it's just the width times height of this box plus the width times height of this box plus the width times height of this box. Okay? So frequency is width times height again, which is price width times frequency density. Okay, so total frequency or total number of houses, total number of houses equals, right, price times frequency density of this tallest box. Price is from 150 to 200, so that's 50 times frequency density. Well, we know what that is because of the thing we did up here. Frequency density is 0.8, so 50 times 0.8. Okay, that's the number of houses in this box here. Right, plus next box, price times frequency density. Width is 100 to 150, so that's 50 times frequency density is 0.6, plus this box, price times frequency density. Price width is 100, frequency density. Don't be sloppy when reading the frequency density off on your graph. Be careful. If you look at the divisions on the graph paper in the question, you'll see that these boxes are divided into 5, and that line there is 2 little boxes up. So it turns out that that value there is 0.14, okay? Because this box is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divisions like that, and this is 2 divisions in, so that's 0.04 plus the 0.1. Anyway, price times frequency density. Price is 100 times frequency density is 0.14. Okay? So, total number of houses is 50 times 0.8, 5 8 are 40, so that must be 40, plus 5 6s are 30, so 0.6 times 50 must be 30. 100 times 0.14 is 14. So 40 plus 30 is 70, plus 14 is 84. So the number of houses with a price under 200,000, that plus that plus that is 84. So just remember, for histograms, these boxes, the area of the box is equal to the frequency. Just remember that.